Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'm here to help you use your PELEGON toilet safety rail. Please note that what I'll be explaining should not replace medical advice from your healthcare professional. So let's begin. The PELEGON toilet safety rail enhances safety for anyone who needs extra assistance while using the restroom. It is used to help prevent falls when standing up or sitting down from a toilet. Before you start, make sure that the rail is at proper width according to your specific needs. If you need assistance in how to install and assemble the toilet safety rail, please check out our assembly video. It's available at pelegon.com or at the link below. Once you're ready, back up until your legs touch the toilet. This will ensure you are in a safe position to sit down. Next, place your assisted device at an easy-to-reach position. Then, place your hands on both handles and lower yourself slowly. While sitting, hold on to the handles if necessary for extra stability and support. Once finished and ready, in order to stand, make sure you place equal pressure on both handles while pushing yourself up. Once you're standing and stable, only then reach out for your assistive device. After that, you are safe to move away from the seat. I hope you found this video helpful for your needs. Take care and thank you for your time.